morning children and hello parents. Welcome to Standard 2 English Grammar class. Today we are going to study Chapter 2 Subject and Predicate. So take out your English Grammar book, open your books to page number 10, Chapter 2 Subject and Predicate. So what is subject? The person, place or thing we speak about is called a subject. And what we say about the subject is called predicate. So children, when we speak about something, about a person, place or thing, then that is known as what? Subject. And what we say about that subject is the predicate. For example, the jug is on the table. Here, the jug is the subject because we are talking about the jug. So, we are going to underline the subject with black. And where is the jug? It is on the table. So, is on the table is the predicate. We are going to underline this with red marker. Next, the sun rises in the east. The sun is the subject. We are talking about the sun. Where does it rise? It rises in the east. So, rises in the east is the predicate. Next, the boy is sleeping on the bed. Who is sleeping on the bed? The boy. So, the boy is the subject. Is sleeping on the bed is the predicate. Now, open your books to page number 10. We are going to do the first exercise in the book. This exercise is on both the pages 10 and 11. Divide the following sentences into subject and predicate. You have to divide these sentences into subject and predicate. The fox is hungry. What is the subject over here? Yes, the fox. So you will write down the fox in the subject column. And what is the predicate? Is hungry. So you are going to write down is hungry in the predicate column. Number 2. The boy is playing with a ball. What is the subject over here? Yes, the boy. So you will write down the boy in the subject column. And in the predicate column, is playing with a ball. Number 3. These flowers are pretty. What is the subject over here? Yes, these flowers. So you will write down this in the subject column. And pretty will be written in the predicate column. Number 4. The cat killed the mouse. So is the subject over here. And killed the mouse is the predicate. Number 5. That girl is Renu. So what is the subject? That girl. And the predicate is Renu. Number 6. My watch is expensive. So what is the subject over here? Yes, my watch. And is expensive is the predicate. In the same way, you are going to do the rest of the questions of this exercise. Children, now turn your page to page 11. We'll go to the next exercise. That is exercise number 2. This exercise is on both the pages 11 and 12. From question number 6 to 10 is on the 12th page. Tick the subject part and underline the predicate part in each sentence. Here we have to put a tick on the subject part and underline the predicate part. Number 1. I want to drink water. What is the subject? Yes, I. So we are going to put a tick above I and we'll underline want to drink water. Question number 2. Ramu bought a new shirt. Ramu is the subject, so we'll put a tick upon Ramu. And bought a new shirt is the predicate. So we are going to underline this. Number 3. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. So here, Little Jack Horner is the subject. So we are going to put a tick like this. And sat in a corner is the predicate. So we'll underline this part. Number 4. The principal is a good lady. So here the principal is the subject. Is a good lady is the predicate. So we are going to underline this part. Number 5. The dog is biting a bone. Here the dog is the subject. So we'll put a tick on the dog. And is biting a bone is the predicate. So we will underline this part. Now we'll go to the next exercise, that is exercise number 3 on page number 12. Match subject and predicate parts to make a complete sentence. Here you have to match the subject with the correct predicate and you have to make a complete sentence. Number 1. The children are going to school. Number 2. Ramesh is a good boy. Number 3. The stars are shining in the sky. Number 4. The ship is sailing in the sea. Number 5. The boys are playing in the park. Number 6. Mary had a little lamb. Number 7. My mother is making breakfast. Number 8. The soldiers are marching. Number 9. The parents were called by the teacher. And number 10. New Delhi is the capital of India. So today we did chapter 2, subject and predicate. So children, you all have to do the exercises given on page number 10, 11 and 12. That is exercise 1, 2 and 3 in the book. Thank you and take care.